Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Almorzar.
To rest.
Descansar.
To exercise.
Hacer ejercicio.
To cook.
Cocinar.
To have dinner.
Cenar.
To watch TV.
Ver la televisión.
To read a book.
Leer un libro.
To go shopping.
Ir de compras.
To go home.
Ir a casa.
To go to bed.
Acostarse.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.